In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working in Windows 11. Updated 2026 Full Guide. If your mic is silent, muffled, or just not being detected, the quickest way to fix it is to confirm the right settings in Windows and make sure permissions are turned on. We'll walk through this carefully so you know exactly what to look for and why it matters. First, open the Settings app. The fastest way is by pressing the Windows key and the letter I together. That brings you straight into Windows Settings, where all the audio controls live. Inside Settings, go to System, then click Sound. Under the Input section, you'll see a list of microphones that Windows detects. Click the microphone you want to use. This step is important because many PCs have more than one input, like a built-in laptop mic and a USB or headset mic, and Windows might be listening to the wrong one. After selecting it, speak normally and watch for an input level meter moving. If you see the bar bouncing as you talk, Windows is receiving audio from that mic. Next, make sure the microphone isn't muted and that the input volume is turned up. Look for a mute icon and toggle it off if needed. Move the input volume slider to a comfortable level, typically around the middle to start. As you adjust the slider, talk into the mic and confirm the input level meter responds. If it barely moves, nudge the slider higher until your voice is captured clearly without peeking into the red. Now let's confirm permissions. In the left sidebar of Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then select Microphone. Turn on microphone access so Windows can use any microphone on your device. Just below that, enable the option that lets apps access your microphone. You'll also see individual toggles for Microsoft Store apps, and sometimes a section for desktop apps. Make sure the apps you rely on for calls, recording, or streaming have access enabled here. If these permissions are off, your mic can be perfectly configured, yet remain silent inside your apps. When you've confirmed your device selection, volume, and permissions, restart your computer. A quick restart refreshes audio services, reloads drivers, and applies the privacy changes system-wide. After the reboot, return to Settings, System, Sound, and speak into your selected microphone to confirm the input meter moves as expected. That's it. By opening Settings, selecting the correct input, unmuting and raising the volume, enabling microphone permissions, and restarting, you've covered the essential fixes for most Windows 11 microphone issues. If you're seeing movement on the input meter now, you're good to go.